Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm working at the home office today, and I wanted to take a second just to kind of share something with you that I think is going to change your mind on a modern kitchen. And it's an unpopular opinion, I guess, but it's modern kitchen cabinets don't make modern kitchens. And let me give you an example. So we had a client come into our Dallas showroom this week, and she was super frustrated because she had spent about $60,000 on cabinets that were slab doors, so the flat fronts with frameless construction, soft close, blah, 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 all the good stuff, right? But she's like, my kitchen feels like the break room at a doctor's office. It doesn't feel like a modern kitchen at all. So we started walking through it, and the first thing I asked her was, did anybody ever do like a behavioral analysis with you on how you use your space? And she's like, what the heck is that? And really what it is modern kitchens are made up of elements that allow you to, I guess, design a kitchen that is built around your habits, your lifestyle, um, the size of your family. Do you entertain? Like all of these things. It is not about cabinets. And most showrooms and way too many designers are all about sales. They're all about closing the deal. Showrooms are about trying to sell as many cabinets as possible. And unfortunately, there's no thought put into the behavior of their client, the habits of their client. And so you end up with customers that have massive amounts of buyer's remorse, and they are already starting to think about the next remodel or possibly even selling the home to get out of there because the kitchen just kind of is blah, right? It's nice cabinets, if you will, but it's not modern, right? Modern is a kitchen that is designed around Bauhaus principles, which is form follows function, right? So beauty and aesthetic follows the behavioral needs that your kitchen needs to meet. Period. End of discussion. Modern kitchen cabinets don't make modern kitchens. Good designers that analyze and dissect your behavior is what makes a modern kitchen.